welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing the halfway update to the 2018 Blogilates 28-day reset challenge. Wow, that is definitely a mouthful. Okay, super excited to do that. I'm super excited to tell you guys about my halfway journey, and I would love to hear yours too. So let me know how it's going for you, and if you've had any struggles or successes. I want to know all about it, so just let me know down below. I have a lot of videos scheduled to be posted soon, so I hope you guys also watch those videos as well. I love doing these videos about the Blogilates 28-day reset, but I also have other passions as well, so don't forget to check that out on my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to like this video. So let's go ahead and get started on this video. I just want to start off by saying the first week, again, was definitely really rough. It was hard to transition from eating these certain food groups, and again, I'll list them all on the side so that you can have a refresher in case you need it. It was hard to cut off some of the foods that I had been incorporating in my diet. I know, not the best stuff to have in your diet, but it was in it, and I'm just admitting it. I am keeping myself accountable with it. As I told you guys before, dairy was gonna be the hardest thing for me to remove from my diet for this 28-day reset. And I think the easiest part about removing dairy is for things like oatmeal or cereal. Otherwise, things like cheese, it's really hard because, again, I've had vegan cheese before, and not all of them are up to par. Some of them are okay, but some of them are not good. For processed foods, it's been easier for me to make healthier decisions when it comes to things like eating, because I'm more self-aware of the stuff I'm putting into my body. And again, I'll probably repeat this at the end of the 28-day reset. I just want y'all to know it works. It really does. So I know that I said that I was gonna be super dedicated to working out every day, but it's been really difficult because I'm going through some personal things, and so it's been kind of hindering that. The days that I am free and open and available to do it, I will do it. My fiance actually found this really cool app that you can download, and they set up these workouts, and they're in increments of however many reps, and then there's a break in between, and you do the next thing. And it was a really good workout. I did one of those with him for my arms, and we did a bajillion push-ups, and my arms didn't hurt the next day. They hurt the day after that and the following days after that. So that's how I know that I was working out those muscles. And I think it's really great because they have for different body parts and different muscle groups. So I did download it myself. I will probably have to stick to doing something like that because it's really easy, and you can do it at home or anywhere that's convenient for you. That's what I'm gonna start doing. For sugars, it's been really hard because occasionally I do really crave ice cream, and so that's a mixture of dairy and sugar. So it's been really hard. I haven't had it. I've had some I would say that bubble tea is kind of a substitute for me. I hadn't had it in a long time, and I was like, oh my gosh, I'm so deserving of it right now. I really need it. So I did, but I didn't have any added sugar in my bubble tea. I get the ones that's actually tea rather than their milk tea, even though the milk teas are actually used with non-dairy milk, which I think is great. So that's what I do. But again, I was just treating myself that one time. So yeah. Alcohol, I have not had any alcohol. Another really hard thing for me is gluten. I think the reason why it's hard is because of bread. So I don't normally eat sandwiches like that anyways, but I do like to have them occasionally. I think I've been good, but I think like I have had a slice or two during this, but no more than just a slice or two because I am in control of what I'm eating and what I'm craving. So other than those two incidents, or one or two incidents, I've been okay. And so I think overall I've covered all the basis of this 28-day reset. I think I'm doing well. I feel lighter already. Like when I was making the January 1st video, I felt super bloated and uncomfortable and heavy, and now I just feel light and I feel pretty just normal. I haven't noticed significant difference in like my body shape yet, but again, the pictures will tell in the end, and I'll probably see a difference and be like, oh yeah, I know this worked. And I know it worked for you too. So if you guys are having any issues, just let me know down below. I can encourage you. I have a testimony for this. Like, I know it works, so just stick to it. You can do it. If there's any other questions you have, just let me know down below. I'm so excited to see the end results. I would love for you guys to share your results with me. Like, I publicly share mine because I just want people to know that it's real and that like Blogilates is not making this up. It's coming to an end. We're halfway through. Just gotta get over this hill and we are done. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be updated whenever I make a new video. If you guys have any other video ideas that you would like me to do for you, just let me know down below. I know that food videos, like making recipes for the 28-day reset, is really popular, but the thing is I feel like I don't really make anything crazy or anything special or like video worthy. So I know I was gonna vlog every day of what I was eating, but it was kind of boring for me to do because I would eat something for dinner, but then I would have it again for lunch the next day, and so it wasn't really exciting. And every morning I had oatmeal. It was like, hey guys, I'm having oatmeal again with the same silk soy milk. Like, that's it, nothing new. I'm not adding anything crazy. I'm not doing anything crazy. If you want, I can dedicate some time to making some creative recipes if you really need ideas. So just let me know and I will do that for you. I think I've covered everything. So thank you guys again for watching. I'll see you in my next video, okay? Bye!